A worn, cracked, or damaged blade can break, and pieces of the damaged blade can become dangerous projectiles. Throwing objects can cause serious injury. Inspect the blades regularly and do not operate the mower with a worn or damaged blade. Always protect your hands by wearing heavy gloves or wrapping the cutting edges with rags or other materials when performing any maintenance on the mower blades. Always remove the battery packs when servicing or transporting the mower. The following tools, not included, are required for replacing the blades. To remove the blades. Stop the motor, remove the battery packs and grass bag from the mower. Turn the mower on its side. Insert a metal rod with a diameter of 5/16 inch or less into the stabilizer hole to prevent the blade from rotating when loosening the bolt. Use the 9/16 inch wrench to turn the blade bolt counterclockwise to loosen and remove the bolt. If the bolt rotates with the motor shaft when loosening the bolt, place another metal rod with a diameter less than 1/4 inch, 6.35 millimeters, into the aligned holes of the blade and fan to act as stabilizer too. Remove the outer flange and the blade. Remove the fan from the motor shaft as needed. To reinstall or replace the blades, be sure to replace the parts in the exact order in which they were removed. Place the fan onto the motor shaft. Be sure that the fan blade is facing towards the deck. Position the blade onto the inner flange of the fan with the surface marked, this side facing grass, facing toward the outside. Align the outer flange with the shaft and assemble it in place. Mount the bolt into the shaft and finger tighten the bolt clockwise. Insert the metal rod. Use the 9/16 inch torque wrench to tighten the bolt clockwise. The recommended torque for the blade bolt is 36 to 43 foot-pound force, 50 to 60 Newton meters. If the bolt rotates with the motor shaft when tightening the bolt, insert a small metal rod with a diameter less than 1/4 inch, 6.35 millimeters, to act as stabilizer too. Gently rotate the blade to check whether it is correctly installed. Repeat the process to replace the second blade.